In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion and Mailerlite. We'll use Zapier to bridge the two so that updates in Notion can automatically create or update subscribers in Mailerlite. Start on your Zapier home dashboard and click Create, then choose Zaps to begin a new automation. In the editor, open the Trigger section. Search for Notion, select it, and choose the trigger event that best matches your workflow, such as creating a record when a new database item is added or when an existing item is updated. Next, connect your Notion account. Click Sign In, proceed through the prompt to continue to Notion, and in the authorization window, choose Select Pages. Pick the specific pages or databases that contain the information you want to sync. Grant access, and you'll be brought back to Zapier. Click Continue to finish setting up the trigger. Here, select the exact Notion database and any relevant properties you need. It's helpful to have at least one example item in that database so Zapier can pull in test data and show the fields you'll map later. If you don't see your database, make sure it's been shared with the Zapier integration inside Notion's share settings. With the trigger ready, move to the Action section, search for Mailerlite and select it. Choose the action event that matches your goal. For most list building workflows, creating or updating a subscriber is the right pick. Now sign into your Mailerlite account so Zapier can send data on your behalf. After connecting, click Continue to configure the action. Map your fields carefully. The email field from Notion should feed into the email field in Mailerlite. That's essential. Then map optional fields like name, company, or any tags or groups you use to organize subscribers. If you're adding people to a specific group in Mailerlite, select that group here. Consider how you want to handle existing subscribers. Choose an option that prevents duplicates and updates records cleanly. If your list requires consent tracking, map a property from Notion that indicates permission or opt-in status. When everything is mapped, run a test. Zapier will send a sample subscriber from your Notion data to Mailerlite. Check the result. You should see a successful response, and within Mailerlite, the test contact with the exact fields you mapped. If something looks off, adjust your mappings or verify the Notion database and property types, then retest until it's correct. That's it. Your Notion trigger and Mailerlite action are connected through Zapier, ready to move data accurately and save you time.